extension of Photoshop is for the object selection tool. I'm going to show you how easy it is to select around a photo without clicking all the way around the photo. So first you want to open up your layer, make sure that your photo is opened up on a layer. And then you will turn on this object selection tool. If yours is not showing, you would right click on this item, on this thumbnail, and choose the top one. And what you do simply is click and drag, covering the part that you want to select, and release once you have covered it. In this case, it only covered the hand, but I want to select also the phone. So I'm going to hold down Shift and drag, click and drag over the phone. And that, by holding down Shift, it tells Photoshop I want this plus that. What I want to do is copy this hand and make a duplicate over here. So I'm going to just hit Command C for copy. If you don't want to do that, you can go to Edit, Copy, and your little shortcut is there. So I'm going to do a Command C and Command V for paste. And you'll see that it created a new layer. So I can now select this layer. So we have two layers. We have the original and we have the new phone. And I want to flip it. I want to turn the other way. So transform, whoop, and flip horizontal. So now I have two phones. And then I can place an image here, and I have a video for that to show you that I can link to this one. But the quick selection tool isn't always going to work. So in this photo, we have some people in a meeting, and there's a lot going on in the background. And when that happens, the tool doesn't select everything that you want it to select. So in that case, you need to use advanced techniques in Photoshop with the Quick Mask tool and the brush, which I have another video for that I will link to this. But let me show you why it doesn't work. So when you highlight over there, the body, it selects most of it, but see, it's missing part of his hair, it's missing part of his sleeve, and it selects all of, like, around the glasses, but some of his pants and so on. So you can see where there are issues. If I hold down Shift and try to select his sleeve, it will add to it, but then it selects part of the background because it doesn't know, it can't distinguish where the background and the sleeve end since they're so similar in color. In that case, you would then hit the letter Q and use your brush tool to start painting on and painting off. But I'm not going to go into that in this video. You can watch the following video to figure that part out. But when you have a simple background, like this purple background, the object selection tool works wonderfully.